She ready. Hey lovelies, so I've got a Zoom conference meeting in about 20 minutes and I need to get myself all quickly put together, so let's get ready. I've just picked up this e.l.f. brow lift and I'm literally obsessed, so I'm going to try it out on camera and let you guys see what I'm talking about. So I'm going to scoop it out with this little spatula. I got that as well. Put a little bit at the back and then I start to brush up my brows with it. I tell you, this product is about to change my whole brow game, you know, like, yes honey. Once I've done that, I'm just gonna slick it down with this, which is literally off the hook. Like, what? And that is my brows done. I'm not gonna add any product to it. You know, see that I am literally upset. I'm just gonna clean that up. I'm just gonna define that with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Espresso. This is going to be a no foundation because I'm just putting that all over, you know, where I just need a little bit of coverage, just here and there. Just blending that with this brush. This is, I can't remember the name of this brush, but I'll link it down below. So that's literally just concealer. I'm just buffing out the edges of, you know, where I put the concealer, just blend it into my skin. I'm just going to set all that with the Makeup Revolution translucent powder in honey, or is it translucent setting powder, whatever. I'm going to pop on the e.l.f. Putty Blush Maldives for that pop of color. I love this, very, very natural looking. I'm going to quickly define my eyes with the Avon True liner. This Avon True Glimmerstix is very creamy. Smudging it out for just a really nice soft look. Rimmel London bronzer in Sundown. The lid is broken off, but I love it anyway, and I'm going to continue using it until I drive it to the ground. Maybelline Push Up Drama Mascara. A little bit of a glow with the Wet n Wild highlighter. Just a bit of light here and there. In the corner as well. Collection lip liner in Damson. And just the Eloise Beauty lip oil in Ruby. And we're all done. She ready.